So here PA plus PB is equal to PT. PT is vapor pressure of mixture of A and B. So here PA plus PB becomes equal to total pressure. Here in numerical it is given कि if two solvent are mixed together, then you have to calculate PA, PB and also calculate the total vapor pressure. Now you come to Rawls law. Rawls law, what is Rawls law? For a solution of a volatile liquid, the partial vapor pressure of each component of the solution is directly proportional to the mole fraction present in the solution. That means if suppose that A and B are mixed together, then the vapor pressure of A and vapor pressure of B separately, and vapor pressure of A is directly proportional to the mole fraction of solution. So we kept it PA is equal to P naught A into X. Here proportionality constant is P naught A, that is vapor pressure of pure solvent A. So this is called Rawls law. कि vapor pressure of one component is directly proportional to the mole fraction of that component in the mixture. Similarly, in this two components are present, A and B. The PV is directly proportional to mole fraction of B according to Rawls law. The PV is equal to P naught B into XB, where P naught B is vapor pressure of pure solvent B. So here you can see that PB and P naught B is different. This is vapor pressure of B in the mixture, and this is vapor pressure of B, pure solvent B. So individually we can calculate PA and PB. But now we have to calculate the total vapor pressure of the solution. How we can calculate the total vapor pressure of solution? So that is total vapor pressure of solution is equal to vapor pressure of each component, that is PA plus PB. From Rawls law we calculate PA is equal to P naught A XA. Similarly PB is calculated P naught B XB. Thus total vapor pressure becomes equal to P naught A XA plus P naught B XB. So in this way, in class 12th, one numerical generally asked in board examination, कि A and B two solvent are mixed together, and you have to calculate the vapor pressure of A, vapor pressure of A, sometimes vapor pressure of B, and also calculate the total vapor pressure of the mixture. So by applying Rawls law, you can calculate the vapor pressure of mixture. Once again, this Rawls law is for a solution of volatile liquid. Solution must contain two or more component liquid that should be volatile in nature. Its partial pressure of each component of this solution is directly proportional to the mole fraction present in the solution. So in board examination, this statement of Rawls law also asked, and depending upon this formula, the numerical is asked. Okay, thank you. We come in next video.